Hello, Floui is an integration platform with hundreds of connectors and ready-to-use flows to accelerate your e-commerce operation, and in this video, you will see how Floui iPaaS makes the integration between Magento 2 and your ERP simple and accessible. Magento is a platform full of features and possibilities, but its work ends here, at order confirmation. All this information now needs to be included in your ERP so that the billing and fulfillment process can take place. This is where Floui comes in. Let's log into the platform. This is Floui's home screen. It contains your personalized dashboard with the metrics and data you want to have to monitor your operation in real time. Let's now access the workspaces area where the flows are available. We access our test workspace here, and let's create a new flow. This is where we will create our demo flow. We could build it step by step, choosing components from the library, but let's see how simple it is to solve this type of integration between Magento and ERP using a ready-made template. Let's import the template into the flow editor. Almost there. You can now see that the flow was created instantly from the beginning with the scheduling of order capture on the platform until the end when all orders are recorded in the ERP. Now, let's learn a little more in detail about how the magic happens, component by component. This first component is cron, which starts the flow at each pre-configured time interval. In this case, we tell Floui to capture orders in Magento every hour. But changing this frequency is very simple. Choose another option here. This second component tells Magento which orders I want to download. In this case, all orders placed in the last hour. The third one is here precisely to capture orders in Magento. We select the account previously registered on the platform with all the access data, adjust some filters if necessary, and move on. This loop exists to adapt the format in which Magento exports orders, which is a consolidated list, to the ERP, which, in the vast majority of cases, receives the records one by one. This component, very important in the flow, transforms the data from the format that Magento imports to the form that the ERP understands. After that, this component converts the data into JSON format. We make the call in the ERP with this other important component of the flow. For each item in the loop, that is, for each order, it is triggered to record in the ERP database. The end of this flow is the switch, which will handle the result of each write attempt. In case of success, it comes up and writes a success log. In case of failure, a log of the error and what caused the error. At this point of the flow, we could, for example, add a retry step. Just as we could in this loop, add an output here in the on end so that there is some action after the load of the request finishes, like a warning message. One last useful customization in this flow would be loading orders into a CRM, for example. At this point in the flow, we could insert order data into another platform using the same method. Flow ready, tested and approved. Just save, activate it, and that's it. Thank you for following us through this video so far, and we hope you have enjoyed the demonstration.